I do. But we'll see what happens today. Who knows?
I don't know. I heard somebody say the other day he had said no matter what, he's staying in the rain.
Oh, is he?
Cop doesn't
I
need
don't
to
know
use a
that
blinker.
that's true, but
He never stops. So he's talking about jumping in.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't do it. And then he's just like,
Glossy.
glossy. I can't do it.
Unreal.
I can't. It's not coming to me.
I think so. So, I guess when it gets warm, the virus won't like it.
Turn right on East Dewey Avenue.
Yeah. Anyway, so I don't know what's doing with that. Let's just hope it's not as bad as they say it is, but sure, you know, I tend to believe these scientists when they say it.
well, let's hope somebody comes up with a cure, because that's our only hope.
Right. Well, they said even if they can come up with a vaccine, it will be more than 2 years away. So there's plenty of time to get sick. It's a mess. But anyway.
I am fucking reading it.
When I said it.
You fucking douche.
Why is he cursing everyone?
He's always angry.
I know, and there was people in there besides, Waco and I, that he doesn't know, and Steve, there's like engineers.
I'm Maurice, but people know me as the Magician. As a barber, you might think my scissors are my main tool, but really, it's Metro.